Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp to skyrocket your business growth? Let's dive into creating killer Wati ads that convert. First, log into your Wati account. If you don't have one, sign up following the link down below in the description now. Navigate to the advertising or campaigns section typically found on the left-hand sidebar. Time to choose your ad format. Wati supports various types, from simple text ads to engaging image and video ads. Select the one that best suits your marketing message and target audience. Remember, visuals tend to grab more attention. Next, laser focus. Your targeting Wati lets you pinpoint your ideal customer by setting demographics like age and gender, defining interests like cooking and marketing, and choosing specific locations such as your city and neighborhood. Precise targeting ensures your ad reaches the right people. Craft compelling ad copy. This is where you tell users who you are and what value you offer them. Write a clear, concise headline, a benefit-driven description, and don't forget a powerful call to action. Shop now, learn more, or book a call. Set your budget and schedule. Determine how much you want to spend daily or in total, and choose a start and end date for your campaign. Wati provides estimates on reach based on your budget. Track your results. The Wati dashboard provides detailed analytics on your ad performance, including impressions, clicks, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition. Use this data to optimize your campaigns and maximize your ROI. And that's it. You've designed a targeted and data-driven WhatsApp advertising campaign, ready to drive traffic, generate leads, and boost your conversions. Happy advertising.